Good afternoon, YouTube. Today's Friday the 15th, around 4:30. Got a beautiful day today, probably about 78 degrees, and no rain for the last 2 days, so we're out in the woods today. The trails are dried up enough. We're going to cut an old overgrown logging road and to make access for my tractor to another part of the property. I got a road going there now, but if there's been any rain or anything like that, it's hard to get the tractor there. So this way will be a little easier. And I got a lot of work in front of me, so we're going to get busy. We got about 100 yards of logging road to clear here. As you can see, a lot of 3-inch saplings growing, and we're just going to cut through here about 30 yards and down over the hill about 20 yards. And a little bit after that, we should be linked up to the old trail, so stick around. We're going to get to it. Today I got the Stihl MS250. That's going to be my chainsaw we're using, and I got the Rhino. This thing's worth its weight in gold, so we're going to get busy and hope you all enjoy it. Thanks. Alright guys, so we were able to get that chore done. The good thing about it was I didn't make too much of an impact on the trees and the bedding area for deer. I don't know if when I was coming up to the trail, I don't know if y'all happened to see the deer I jumped out of there or not. So this is real thick up in here, and I was glad didn't have to cut too much of it out to make this road. But go ahead and walk you up through here and show you how it looks, then we'll bring the rhino back down over and see how it does. It's gonna be a little steep here, but I think if I get all the leaves and stuff off, I should be able to come up over this a lot easier than my other option. I had to cut 2 small sycamore trees up here. Those were the only trees I had to cut. They were right here at the beginning. The rest was just briars and I don't know, scrubs, overgrowth. But made it up to the top, and that joins up to one of my main trails. We're gonna go ahead and bring the rhino down it. Alright everyone, well, I want to thank you all for tuning into the channel. I'm glad I got to take you all along with me. Finish that up. It was a pretty rough chore, but it actually wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. It was really tough there at the beginning with all the vines and the briars, but we diced through it there. Got it cleaned up. I think it's usable now. And I'm going to go start a fire and cook chicken on the fire tonight. So you all have a good evening, and thanks for watching.